This spotlight on estate planning is sponsored by Game Plan Financial. Every game has a winner. Every winner has a game plan. For more information, visit gameplanfinancial.com. A group of small business owners and entrepreneurs on Wednesday announced their support of the estate tax. The group says opponents of the tax are misrepresenting the interests of small businesses to further their own agenda. The small business owners explained their position in a conference call organized by United for a Fair Economy. United for a Fair Economy is a Boston-based, nonpartisan organization that raises awareness that concentrated wealth and power undermine the economy. Critics of estate tax say the costs of planning for estate tax, such as retaining an attorney, are expensive for small businesses. Furthermore, the tax harms small businesses and farms by forcing the heirs to sell off portions of the business or the business is in its entirety to pay the tax. However, the small business owners in Wednesday's conference call say this isn't the case. Instead, they say most small business owners aren't worried about the tax. The opposition is promoted by a few families who have enormous estates. The group says these families use their money and influence to spread misinformation. Estate tax is the subject of an intense debate as Bush tax cuts are set to expire at the end of the year. While there is no estate tax in 2010, it is set to return in 2011 with a $1 million exemption and a tax rate of up to 55%. A Bank of America study on high net worth philanthropy shows the recession strongly affected wealthy families' charitable donations in 2009. The Center on Philanthropy at Indiana University conducted the survey. According to the study, average gift amounts decreased 35% from 2007. Charitable giving based on percentage of income also dropped among high net worth households, from 11% of income in 2007 to 9% in 2009. Despite overall declines, high net worth households gave more to private foundations, donor-advised funds, and charitable trusts. More than 16% of wealthy families contributed to these institutions in 2009. The average amount donated increased 21% to $75,867. Additionally, the study found that wealthy households became more focused in their giving in 2009. The trend benefited sectors such as the arts, environment, and animal care, and international giving. Areas such as health and education saw declines. But the percentage of families contributing to basic human needs climbed 10% from 2005 to 85% in 2009. The study included households with incomes over $200,000 or a net worth of at least $1 million, excluding the value of their primary residence. 67% of respondents said they would somewhat or dramatically decrease their charitable contributions if they couldn't deduct donations from their income taxes. This is compared with 47% in 2007. Furthermore, 43% of the households surveyed say they would somewhat or dramatically increase the amount they leave to charity if the estate tax were repealed, as it has been this year. The Tax Foundation reports many states are in a budget limbo as Bush-era tax cuts are set to expire next month. According to the foundation, states with tax codes closely linked to the federal tax code will see an increase in revenue if the tax cuts expire. However, states that allow a deduction for federal income taxes paid will likely see a decrease in revenue. States that allow taxpayers to deduct federal taxes paid from their state taxes are Alabama, Iowa, Louisiana, Missouri, Montana, and Oregon. The Tax Foundation says many state tax codes are linked to the federal estate tax. After December, the federal estate tax is set to return to the 2001 rate of 55%. If Congress fails to intervene, some states are set to collect a significant sum. For example, the California Legislative Analyst's Office estimates the state could collect approximately $2.7 billion. However, the office says Congress could change the law so states could no longer generate any of these revenues. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.